What is this? What is this? Look at all these fucking sport bikes. I want to say this thing has like a 5-gallon gas tank. It gets roughly 350 to 400 miles out of a tank if you ride it conservatively. I have not yet done that. I got 307 out of my last tank.
What's up, man?
What's going on? I need to get me a textile jacket like this so I'm not sweating my ass off.
You said we were riding today. Fuck, we should have been in leathers.
Yeah. What are you ripping on? You ripping on his?
Bruce's bike.
Yeah?
Cat sit form. What's up, Trey?
What's going on, man?
Man, how you doing?
Good.
We're vlogging the Captain's bike.
Yeah. Looks like KTM day down here.
Yeah. Should have got the little one out. We would have had 4 of them.
Yeah, I know. I got a screen that I got replaced on mine. That TFT screen went out on me. Yeah, as soon as it hit 10,000 miles.
Really?
Yeah. And then it's been draining my battery. So.
What's up, man?
What's going on, buddy?
How you been?
Good. Yeah, I looked at a few of these, but I didn't know what route I wanted to go as far as like a big leader bike.
Yeah.
How much fairing did I want, and
I'm not dicing it up like him on this 890, but I mean it'll kind of hold its own.
Yeah.
I mean, you start really pushing it, you start feeling it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is more of like a sport touring, you know.
Yeah.
The big
I can't get the wife to sign off on multiple bikes, so I had to find one bike
that does everything. Does everything fairly well. The only thing that I heard about these was the storage room.
It's okay. I mean, he and I went down to South Carolina for a week. I mean, I had a washer and dryer, so I, wash my clothes. But,
yeah.
they're not really as big as those.
Right, those are freaking ginormous.
But usually when I go, I mean, I got my clothes that I got going on.
Yeah.
Another pair of shoes, mainly boxers and t-shirts and socks in case I get wet.
They're good looking though.
Wait, what GoPro is that? The 8?
9.
9?
Yeah. I will never buy another GoPro.
Really?
Yeah, I have so many problems with this one. Out of the box, I was having problems with it too. I slow down to like 5 miles an hour on that bitch. a big bike to be moving around like that. '17's pretty tight. I'd much prefer a smaller bike like a 390, but this thing doesn't do too bad. That thing, kind of curious how he does on that. A 690 would be phenomenal on that. Hell yeah, brother! Lying on the backroads on the stars where the cool grass grows. Night falling in love, but the night was moving slow. And all night through, so good to be with you. What is this? What is this? Look at all these fucking sport bikes. God, I fit right in with them. I should have never taken my jacket off. Well, that was kind of different. I think there was like a group ride out of Cincinnati today, and I think that's what that was. Look at my little belly. My little belly selling. Well guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like. And we'll see you guys in the next one.